Wear your seatbelt?
Yeah!
Do you wear your seatbelt?
Yeah!
Do you want to get home safe?
Yeah!
You want to get home safe because you do what?
Wear my seatbelt!
Thank y'all.
Amen.
All right. So why do you slow down and click it?
I slow down and click it because I want to get home back to my family safe.
So why do you slow down and click it?
I click it for my family.
So why do you slow down and click it?
I'm slow down and click it for my family.
So why do you slow down and click it?
So I can see the smile on my kids' face.
Why do you slow down and click it?
Click means no tick. And the bonus to that is, at the end of the day, I get to get home safe to my family.
We're giving love in a family dog. We are.
So why do you slow down and click it?
So I can go home safe to my family.
Why do you slow down and click it?
Home safe to my boy.
So why do you slow down and click it?
So I get home safe to my family.
Living life is fun and we've just begun to get our share of this world's delight.
Excuse me. So why do you slow down to click it?
For the future and our inside. We know we don't get too fast. Here's
To go home safe to my family, of course. They need me.
Have faith in you and the things you do. You won't go wrong.
Hey, man, how you doing? Hey, slow down. Hey, why do you slow down to click it?
Slow down and click it.
Yeah, slow down to click it.
Click what?
The seat belt.
Man, I ain't got time to click it. Man, it's the NFL playoffs. I got to get home, man.
Hey, man.
You still here?
Yeah, hey, you sure you don't want to slow down and click it?
Listen here. Right now, you are impeding my traffic to get to the next stop. I need to get to the station. What is that?
Let me tell you something. You better what it sit there. You better click it. Do you want to get home safe to your family? Do you?
Yes, I do.
Do you?
Yes, I do.
Get home
Officer Linebacker,
safe.
I'm sorry.
Click it.
I will click it from now on.
You've been
24/7. Thank you, sir.
How y'all doing? This is the main office again. We got another video. This month it's about seatbelt safety. And the question is, why do you take the time to click it? You know, why are you taking just that one little second just to fasten your seatbelt before you move that vehicle? And in the video, you saw a lot of people say, you know, because I want to get home safe to our families. And then in the video, you saw somebody just didn't do the right thing, you know. Let's not take that chance by not taking that time to click it and we have an accident and we don't make it home. You know, we got a lot of people that's depending on us to walk through that door this evening. So let's do the right thing, be safe, and click it. Action. So why do you slow down and click it? Go ahead, what's on the seatbelt? You can't click it? Click your seatbelt, girl.
So I go home safe to my family.
Thank you. So why do you slow down and click it?